Hey everyone, I'm back! Today, we've got a super intense new challenge. A tug-of-war battle between Lego trains. Which one will take the championship? Let's find out! Here we have the mini rail loader, powered by an L motor, weighs 145 grams, with a single engine. And the mini rail car has a similar setup. Let the battle begin. The mini rail car is taking the lead. Oh no, the mini rail loader is getting pulled to the edge. And just like that, the mini rail car wins easily. Round 2. Introducing the yellow block train engine weighs 192 grams. Different from the mini rail car since it uses a Lego train engine. Let's go! The tug-of-war starts, and the new guy is dominating. No surprise here, the weight advantage seals the victory. Next up, a powered rail wagon enters the ring at 185 grams. I've upgraded it with an M motor. Do you think it can win? Wow, the powered rail wagon is pulling an opponent heavier than itself. That's crazy. No comeback here. The powered rail wagon overpowers its rival thanks to that mighty motor. Final round. Let's see what makes this motorized train bogie special. Whoa! 258 grams and 2 motors. Look at that. The motorized train is completely dominating. And we have our ultimate winner, the motorized train bogie. Let's celebrate! Thanks for watching. More cool LEGO experiments coming soon.